Continuing to the integration, your next topic is your definite integration. The major difference between your indefinite integration and definite integration is indefinite integration has no limit. Means so మనం indefinite integration ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అనుకునే దానికి మనం ఇంటిగ్రల్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత అది కూడా ఒక ఫంక్షనే ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది అలాంగ్ విత్ సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ దట్ వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్, రైట్? So in case of definite integration, it has some fixed limit. It has some fixed value at certain range. Those range are called lower limit and upper limit. Right? ఈ డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కి ఈ ఇండెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అనేది ఒక పార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే గిన ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఇండెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇండెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లో వచ్చే ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి మీరు లిమిట్స్ అప్లై చేయాలన్న. Right? So you can see the definite integral of a real valued function f of x with respect to a variable x on the interval ab is expressed as. So you can see I am assuming an f of x is a function and the integral of this small f of x is equal to capital F of x ma, right? So now integration of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x. So now I am applying two limits, those are a and b, right? So then it is defined by upper limit minus lower limit f of b minus f of a అన్న. అంటే ఈ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ లో ఏ బి పెట్టాలి, మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ లో ఏ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. సో హియర్ ఏ కమ బి ఆర్ బోత్ ఆర్ ది కాన్స్టెంట్స్. మేబీ it can be negative number 0 or maybe positive number, maybe they also represented in radians like pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 4, like that, right? So if you see the terminology here, this is integral symbol, then a is called lower limit and b is called upper limit, and f of x is called integrand, that which is going under this integration process. Then dx is integrating agent, or we can say with respect to whatever we are doing, that is your dx, right? So this f of x is a real valued function, and at limit a comma b or a to b is defined as f of b minus f of a nana, right? So now try to see. If you see one example, let us suppose this is f of x. So this is function is varying starting at 0 and moving with respect to the variable x, right? So now if you want to find the integral, and that integral is definite integral at a limit a comma b, here a is your lower limit and b is your upper limit, right? So basically ఈ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే ఏంటుంది, ఇక్కడ జీరో నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది, మీకు జీరో కంటే ముందు కూడా ఉంది ఫంక్షన్, రైట్? సో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ వరకు ఇది మూవ్ అయి ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ నో లిమిట్, రైట్? సో ఇఫ్ యూ సీ హియర్ దిస్ లిమిట్, లోయర్ లిమిట్ అండ్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ డివైడింగ్ దిస్ కర్వ్, ఈ కర్వ్ ఒక పార్ట్ ని తీసుకుంటాం, ఆ పార్ట్ ని మనం ఏమంటారంటే కనుక మనం ఇక్కడ డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అంటున్నాం నాన్న, రైట్? Now try to see some of the general properties in this definite integration. See, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of t dt. ఇక్కడ x with respect to dx ఉంది, ఇక్కడ t with respect to dt ఉంది, y with respect to dy ఉంది నాన్న. సో ఇక్కడైతే f of y ఉందో dy ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో యూ కెన్ రిప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ దట్ ఫార్మాట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ a to b f of x dx is equal to మైనస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ b to a f of x dx నాన్న. ఇక్కడ చూడండి a to b వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ b to a వచ్చింది, నెగటివ్ డెఫినెట్లీ. సో లెట్ us suppose integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to what? That is equal to capital F of b minus capital F of a. So if you take integration of b to a, what will become? F of a minus F of b. So here upper limit is a, lower limit is b. So then definitely you need to take the minus. So that's why if you interchange the upper limit and lower limit, then the answer will be additive inverse of that original function. Next, if you see third one, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to c f of x dx plus integration of c to b f of x dx. And here a is less than b less than c nana. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే, if you consider this example here, this is a, this is b, I am considering an a intermediate value c. So dividing this function into two parts, right? So you can divide this function into two parts. Now my overall definite integral will become sum of these two individuals, Nana. A to C and C to B. You can see A to C and C to B, Nana. Next, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Right? So this is a very important formula, Nana. Ikkada ee property nunchi manaki chala questions solve అవుతాయి. Next, integration of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to చూడండి minus a to a minus 1 to plus 1 minus 2 to plus 2. ఇక్కడ చూడండి f of x dx is equal to 2 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is a even function. ఇక్కడ f of x అనేది ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ అయింది అనుకోండి, then your answer is 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. In case this is an odd function, then your answer is directly 0, Nana. Right? So just tell me integration of minus 2 to plus 2 sin x dx. Tell me what will become?
0.
Very good, 0. No need to solve anything. Right? So we will look into the problems. So once we have completed these formulas. Now see, integration of 0 to nt f of x dx, that is equal to n into 0 to t f of x dx. Let us suppose integration of 0 to 2 pi some function f of x, then dx is equal to, it will come 2 into integral 0 to pi f of x dx. Right? So this fifth fourth formula chala important, Nana. Fifth and fourth formula ikkada general property. Right? Now let us see some notes here. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. 5 స్టార్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు దీనికి. రైట్? సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 0 టు pi by 2 sin పవర్ nx by cos పవర్ nx plus sin పవర్ nx dx, that is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos పవర్ nx by cos పవర్ nx plus sin పవర్ nx dx is equal to pi by 4. This is the standard result. Right? So next integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin పవర్ nx dx, మీకు ఇక్కడ sin పవర్ nx means sin పవర్ 6x sin పవర్ 8x అటువంటి ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు, లేదా కాస్ పవర్ 6x కాస్ పవర్ 8x అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు నాన్న. రైట్? సో ఇలాంటి ఉన్నప్పుడు మీకు ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ sin square x, యూ కెన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, then you can apply cos power 4x, you can till cos power 4x you can do. So beyond that sin power 6x sin power 8 you can apply this నాన్న. సో ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద n value, whether it is starting at, let us suppose 6, so you need to write n minus 1 by n. So let us suppose n minus 1 is 5 by 6, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 3 is 3 by 4, next n minus 5 by 1 by 2. సో మీకు ఇలా చేసినప్పుడు లాస్ట్ లో ఏదైతే ఫ్యాక్టర్ వస్తుందో మీకు ఓన్లీ 2నే ఆప్షన్స్, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 by 2 ఆర్ 2 by 3, ఈ 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వస్తాయినా. సో ఈ 1 by 2 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 1 by 2 ఇంటూ pi by 4, దట్ ఈస్ pi by 4 నాన్న. 1 by 2 ఇంటూ pi by 2, దట్ ఈస్ pi by 4 మీ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఓన్లీ 2 by 3 వచ్చింది అనుకో, జస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై విత్ 1, ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ 2 by 3 నాన్న. సో ఓన్లీ 2 పాసిబిలిటీసే, వెదర్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ 1 by 2 ఆర్ 2 by 3. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 by 2, ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ pi by 4, 2 by 3 it is 2 by 3 only నాన్న. Right? We will see that once getting into the problems. Now see some basic theory. If f of x dx is equal to capital F of integration of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c and f dash of x is equal to f of x. Yes. సో ఇప్పుడు క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ఒక ఫంక్షన్ అంటే దాని యొక్క డెరివేటివ్ స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ విల్ బికమ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. రైట్? సో హియర్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ప్రిమిటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ నాన్న. సో ప్రిమిటివ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇన్వర్స్ ప్రాసెస్ లాగా అనుకోండి, అంతే, ఏం లేదు ఇంకా. సో ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కి డెరివేటివ్ స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్, సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ విల్ బికమ్ capital F of x only. Right? Next, even function, odd function. So you know, if f of minus x is equal to f of x, then it is called as a even function. Examples are, I've written wrongly. So cos x, x square, x power 4, like that. Next, odd function. If f of x minus x is equal to minus f of x, then it is called as a odd function. Example, sin x, x cube, right? Minus sin x, like those kind of thing. So we will see those. Now try to see the problems. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 sin power 9x by cos power 11x dx nana. So how to solve this question? So first you need to find the indefinite integration nana. After that only you can apply the limits. That is lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 4, right? So how to solve this question?
Denominatorలో cos to the power of 9 into cos to the power of 5
Very good.
cos square.
It can be written as 0 to pi by 4 sin power 9x divided by cos power 11x can be written as cos power 9x into cos square x dx. So that is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4. So sin to the power of 9x by cos to the power of 9x will come what? Tan power 9x into secant square x dx, right? So now in the place of now apply the integration by substitution, put tan x is equal to t, so it will become what? I think tan power 10x by 10 plus c. You can substitute, right? So then you will get this limit 0 to pi by 4, right? So one more thing, here you can neglect this plus c, because if you do upper limit minus lower limit, then also it will come plus c and minus c, those will get cancelled. So no matter whether you are writing this c or not here, right? So now apply in the place of x as pi by 4 upper limit, what will become? That is tan pi by 4 whole power 10 divided by 10 minus tan 0 whole power 10 divided by 10. So tell me what is tan pi by 4?
1 by 10.
Yes, very good. So 1, that is 1 by 10 minus tan 0 is 0, 0 by 10. So it will become 1 by 10 is your answer, Nana. Right? So it is producing a value, not a function. Don't confuse. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to solve this question. Similar question only. Sin power 7x by cos power 9x dx.
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Okay. Yes, 1 by 8 is the correct answer, Nana. So similarly here it will come integration of 0 to pi by 4. It will come tan power 7x into secant square x. So if you take the integral of this, it will come tan power 8x divided by 8. The limits are 0 to pi by 4. So your answer will come 1 by 8. Nana. Next, integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x. Nana. Now try to see. Here you need to apply this. You can apply this one. This one. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx. So write like always start with n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into n minus 5 by n minus 4. Always write the odd numbers 1, 3, 5 in the numerator, even numbers 0, 2, 4 in the denominator, Nana. Right? So I will also tell you one thing after solving this question. So try to solve. What will become n minus 1? What is n value here? It is 7, right? So it will come 6 by 7 into n minus 3, that is 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. Next is 0 వస్తుంది డెఫినెట్గా. సో 2 by 3 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి you need to multiply with 1, that will come 2 by 3, Nana. Right? So I can say for n is equal to odd number, your always answer is 2 by 3, Nana. n is equal to odd number ఏంటంటే 2 by 3 వస్తుంది. If it is even number, your answer will become pi by 4. Right? Now try to see and tell me the answers. What will one it is getting here? What is
Pi
n
by
value?
4.
6, right? Very good. Pi by 4, it is even number. Next, tell me cos power 11. Don't confuse. It is
2 by
correct
3.
if only it is 0 to pi by 2 only. It is 2 by 3. Very good, Nana. Next question. Very, very important model. See, this is చాలా సార్లు ECET లో క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది మా 0 to pi by 2 sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. So you know answer is pi by 4. ఇక్కడ చూడండి sin పవర్ nx cos పవర్ nx sin పవర్ nx ఇలా n ఏదన్నా ఉన్నాయి 1 ఉన్నాయి 1/2 ఉన్నాయి 1/3 ఉన్నాయి 1/4 ఉన్నాయి 1/10 ఉన్నాయి హోల్ పవర్ 10 ఉన్నాయి హోల్ పవర్ 100 ఉన్నాయి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి pi by 4. సో అది బేసిక్ ప్రొసీజర్ చెప్తాను ఎలా అనేది. సో ఫస్ట్ ట్రై టు అజ్యూమ్ దిస్ ఎంటైర్ థింగ్ యాజ్ ఐ, నానా. ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ ఏదైతే ఐ ఉంది. నౌ అప్లై ద ప్రాపర్టీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx, నాన్న. అంటే x ప్లేస్ లో a మైనస్ x పెట్టాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ a వాల్యూ హియర్? దట్ ఈస్ pi by 2. వాట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 మైనస్ x ఏమవుతుంది? cos x. నెక్స్ట్ cos pi by 2 మైనస్ x ఏమవుతుంది? sin x ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ sin pi by 2 minus x, it will come cos x dx. Now what I am doing, assuming this is equation as 1, this equation as 2, so now I am doing 1 plus 2, so this is also I, right? This is also I only we just apply this property. So now what will become? I plus I, that is 2i, that is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. So here sin x by cos x plus sin x, here cos x by sin x plus cos x. So LCM is your cos of sin x plus cos x, right? So numerator will come, just add sin x plus cos x dx. So these two will get cancelled. So 2i is equal to integration of 1 dx 0 to pi by 2. So 2i is equal to integration of 1 dx will come what? That is x, right? So if you substitute in the place of x as pi by 2, it will come pi by 2 minus 0, it is pi by 2. What I will become? It is pi by 4. So that I is equal to your question, whatever we assume, right? So in case మీరు సైన్ స్క్వేర్ తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఏం ఎఫెక్ట్ అవ్వదు ఇక్కడ. ఏదైతే మీరు సైన్ స్క్వేర్ అది ఉందా హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రాసుకుంటాం. సైన్ పై బై 2 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అయ్యేది అది, కాస్ పై బై 2 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అయ్యేది, హోల్ పవర్ 1/2 ఉన్ని 1/3 ఉన్ని స్క్వేర్ ఉన్ని క్యూబ్ ఉన్ని ఏది ఉన్నా కానీ మీ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి పై బై 4 నన్న, రైట్? సో యూ కెన్ సీ అండ్ టెల్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by sin cos square x plus sin square x dx nana.
Pi by 4.
Pi by 4, yes, here n is equal to 2. Very good. So now tell me integration of 0 to pi by 2 under root sin x by under root cos x plus under root sin x.
Pi by 4.
Pi by 4. Here n is equal to what? No matter whether it is 1/2 minus 1/2, whatever it is. So your answer is pi by 4 nana, right? So now try to see some standards here, standard results, not much important I can say, but try to take one look here. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta is equal to pi by 8 log 2. So just look these two. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x dx is equal to 0, right? So now just try to see how to solve this question. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx, right? So in case of differentiation you can apply log x format, log of f of x format, then you can find the differentiate derivative. But integration log of f of x is not possible to directly find out, right? So what I am doing, similar way, assuming this as I, apply the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So now what will become? Integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x will become what ma? Log of pi by 2 minus 0, it will become cot x, right? So now this is your I, this is also I. So let us suppose this is equation 2, this is equation 1. So if you do 1 plus 2, what will become? Integration of 0 to pi by 2. So log tan x plus log cot x. What is log a plus log b? That is log ab, right? So we can write log tan x into log cot x dx. This is 2i, I plus I, right? So now what is tan x into cot x?
1.
1. So what is log 1?
0.
0. So 2i is equal to 0. Then from this I will become 0. That is your answer. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 log tan x dx is 0 nana, right? So that is stated here. So this is only possible for tan and cot, because tan into cot అయినప్పుడు tan cot గా మారుతుంది, cot tan గా మారుతుంది 0 to pi by 2 లిమిట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఇదే మీరు sin cos తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, sin అనేది ఏమైపోతుంది? కాస్ అవుతుంది. బట్ సైన్ ఇంటూ కాస్ చేస్తే గిన మీకు క్యాన్సల్ కాదు. ఇక్కడ tan ఇంటూ కాట్ చేసినప్పుడు 1 అవుతుంది, log 1 0 వస్తుంది. సో అందుకే ఇక్కడ pi by 2 log 2, right? So you can see some standard results here. You can go through it after completion of class. Now try to see some problems by integration by substitution. Integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. So try to calculate the indefinite integration. What we need to put as t? Tan inverse x is equal to t 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt, right? So it will come integration of 0 to 1, it is t dt. Yes or no? Now if you apply the integration of this t, what will become? T square by 2. So the limits are 0 to 1. So substitute what is t? That is tan inverse x whole square by 2. The limits are 0 to 1. So apply the upper limit, that is 1. It will come what? Tan inverse 1. What is tan inverse 1, ma?
5/4.
Pi by 4. So pi by 4 whole square divided by 2 minus tan inverse of 0 is 0, right? 0 square by 2. Now tell me what will become? Pi by 4 whole square is pi by 16. By 2 is pi square by 32. So pi square by 32 is your correct answer. Nana. Clear? Right. Let us move to the next question. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 sine cube x into cos x dx. See, now tell me what we need to assume as t and which will become f of t. Put sin x is equal to t, then differentiation of sin x is cos x dx will become dt, right? So then it will come integration of 0 to pi by 4. It will come sin cube x means t cube dt. So it will come t power 4 by 4 whole power 0 to pi by 4. Now substitute in the place of t as sin x and tell me what it is getting.
16, sir.
Very good. 1 by 16 is the correct answer. Right? So it will come sin x whole power 4 divided by 4. The limits are 0 to pi by 4. Right? So if you apply the upper limit, that is pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole power 4 divided by 4. So it will become 1 by root 2 whole power 4. What will become? So it will come 1 by 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1 by 16 is your answer.
1 by 16.
Yes. Now try to see the next question. Integration of 1 to e 1 by x dx is equal to. So what is integration of 1 by x dx?
Log x.
Log x. So log x, the limits are 1 to e, right? So apply the upper limit, that is log e minus lower limit is log 1. So what is log e minus log 1, Nana?
1.
1 minus 0, that is equal to 1, Nana. Right? Now try to see integration of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 tan x dx. Tell me, what is the answer? Then 2 into f of x. Integration of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 tan x dx, that is equal to f of x. Then 2 into f of x. ఇక్కడ ఏమడిగాడంటే మీకు డైరెక్ట్గా ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అడగచ్చు. వాట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ విల్ బికమ్? ఇక్కడ 2 ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అడిగాడు. చూడండి, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఏ టు ఏ f of x dx is equal to what, ma? That is 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is even, it will become 0 if f of x is odd, Nana. So now tell me this f of x, whether this is an even function or odd function? Odd function. So your f of x will become what, ma? 0. So then 2 into f of x also 0. 0 is your correct answer, Nana. Right? Now try to see similar one only. Integration of minus pi to plus pi sin power 5x into cos power 5x dx. See, what sin power 5x? This is even function or odd function?
Odd function.
Odd function. This is tell me, this is cos power 5x, whether it is odd function or even function?
Odd function.
Why?
Function.
It is a even function because always cos x is an even function. ఆ cos x కి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ చేసినా హోల్ క్యూబ్ చేసినా ఎలా అయినా పాజిటివ్ గానే ఉంటుంది. అది there is no minus f of x, right? Tell me whether sine square x is an even function or odd function.
Odd
Odd
function.
function.
Odd function. Sin x is an odd function, but sine square x is a even function. Anna.
Even function. Because fine even function. Powerly even function.
No, not like that. What we studied, if f of minus x is equal to f of x, then that function is a even function. If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then that function is called odd function. We are not dealing with the numbers. Powers తో కాదు మనకు సంబంధం ఇక్కడ, రైట్? సో సార్ చూడండి, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ అప్లై చేయండి కావాలంటే కదా, సైన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ స్క్వేరా వెల్కమ్ వాట్ మైనస్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్, వాట్ విల్ బికమ్ ప్లస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఓన్లీ. That is your initial one. So that's why sin square x is a even function, Anna. Right? So now sin power 5x is a odd function because మనకి sin square x ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ sin square x తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినా కానీ మనకి ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ వస్తుంది, కానీ పవర్ అనేది ఆడ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ అవుతున్నా. నౌ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఈస్ ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటూ ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈవెన్ ఆర్ ఆడ్?
Odd function.
Very good, it is a odd function only, right? So this function is an odd function. Your answer is 0,
0.
right? So now try to solve this question. Integration of a to b mod x by x dx, where x is greater than 0. So x is greater than 0, then mod x will become plus x, nana, right? Integration of a to b, it will become plus x by x dx. So if it will cancel here, integration of 1 dx is x, limits are a to b. Your answer is what, ma? b minus a,
Yeah.
right? Now try to see this question. Integration of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 log of 2 minus sin theta by 2 plus sin theta d theta. Now tell me whether this function is a even function or odd function.
Odd function, sir.
Odd function, how? Yes, your answer is correct. Why? How it is odd function?
Sin theta place లో sin minus theta పెడితే.
Very good, it will become 2 plus sin theta divided by 2 minus sin theta.
So it is not equal.
So here it is not equal. Let's try to see. This is your f of x and this is your f of minus x, right? So మనకి f of minus x is equal to minus f of x అయిందంటే కనుక అది ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్, ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్, right? So now what I am doing, log of just reciprocaling this thing, what will become 2 minus sin theta by 2 plus sin theta, and what is the change? That is whole power minus 1. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now take this minus 2 in front, it will become what? Minus log of 2 minus sin theta by 2 plus sin theta. So now this is equal to minus f of x. Your answer is in a odd function. So what is the answer?
0.
ఇలా డైరెక్ట్ గా పెట్టాలన్నమాట, రైట్? Now try to see the next question. Integration of 0 to pi sin cube x into 1 minus cos x whole square. Tell me. I think the question is, it is minus pi, nana. Yes, it is minus pi, not 0. Minus pi to plus pi. So now try to check whether this function is an even function or odd function.
Odd function.
Odd function, how? This will become odd function. What about this function, whether it is even function or odd function?
Even function.
It is even function. So even into odd will become odd only. Your answer is
0.
0, right? Next question. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 secant x dx, nana. So what is integration of secant x?
Log of
Log of
cosecant x minus secant
secant x plus tan x, right? So now apply the limits 0 to pi by 4 here. So tell me what it will come. It will come log of secant pi by 4. What is secant pi by 4? root 2
Root
plus
2.
tan pi by 4 is 1 minus log of what is secant 0? Secant 0 is 1 plus tan 0 is 0.
0.
So it will come log 1, that is 0. Your answer is log of root 2 plus 1. Right? So try at your end for the cosecant x. So your integration of cosecant x will come log of cosecant x minus cot x. So we can apply that. Now try to see. This is the from 9th standard integrals. So integration of 0 to a under root a square plus x square dx. A square plus x square అంటే ఏం వస్తుంది sin h inverse వస్తుంది right. So x square by 2 under root a square plus x square minus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a plus c basically. So apply the limits 0 to a. So wherever x is there, substitute a square by 2. Here a square plus a square, it will come what? A square by 2
by 2.
under root a square plus a square, it is 2a square minus a square by 2 sin h inverse of a by a. So what sin h inverse of 1? Sin
5 by 2.
h inverse of 1, not sin inverse of 1. Sin h inverse of 1 is 1 ma. So substitute here a square by 2 into 1. So this is your upper limit minus lower limit will come what? It is 0. Here if it will come 0. Sin h inverse of 0 also 0 ma. Right? So no need to consider this lower limit. Then it will come what? A square by 2. So if you take root 2 common here, a square by 2 root 2 under root a square will come a minus a square by 2. Right? So what is the remaining? Here it is x by 2, right? Not x square. It will come a only. So here a into a will come a square. So if you take a square by 2 common, it will come root 2 minus 1. This is your answer. Now all of you try to solve this question. Under root a square minus x square, just in the place of sin h inverse, it will come sin inverse, Nana. Tell me what it is getting.
5 by 4 into a square.
Very good. Pi by 4 into a square is the correct answer. Or pi a square by 4. This is your correct answer now. Now try to see the next question. Integration of 0 to pi sin x dx. Very simple. Tell me.
1, sir.
1. Try to check
2, sir.
once again. Yes, 2 is the correct answer. So if you apply, take the integration of the sin x, it will become minus cos x. Right? So the limits are 0 to pi. It will become minus of cos pi is minus 1. Minus cos 0 is 1. So it will come minus of minus 2, it will come plus 2. Now tell me for the second one. Integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Cos x dx. Cos x is in a even function. It will come 2 into integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. So now apply and tell me the answer.
2, sir.
Yes, 2 is the correct
Minus.
answer. Minus 2? Oh, no, plus 2 only. It will come sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. So sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So whatever the taken we common this 2, that will appear. Next, try to solve this integration of 0 to pi by 2 under root 1 plus sin 2x. So you know how to solve this question. That is 1 can be represented as sin square x plus cos square x and sin 2x as
Minus
2 sin
1.
x cos x. What is the answer?
Zero, sir.
Yes, what is the answer?
2, sir.
Yes, 2 is the correct answer. Next question.
0, sir.
Yes, very good. 0 is the correct answer, Nana. Now try to see the next question. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. You can tell from this it is in a even number, that is n is equal to even. Your answer is pi by 4. So if you want to solve it using sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x by 2, you can also go with that. See the next question, integration of 1 to e d by dx of 1 by x dx. Nana. See, interesting question here. How to solve this question?
Sir, d by dx ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది.
Very good. dx to dx cancel అయిపోతుంది, ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ cancel అయిపోతుంది. సో జస్ట్ యూనిట్ అప్లై దిస్ 1 by x ఏదైతే ఉందో మీకు ఇక్కడ ఈ 1 by x కి లిమిట్స్ అప్లై చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ 1 to e. సో ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ వాట్ 1 by e minus 1. So if you take LCM, it will come 1 minus e by e. Right? Try to solve the next question. How to solve this? Integration of 2 to 3 x square by x plus 1. Yes. How to solve this question?
Add +1 and -1.
Yes, very good. Add +1 and -1. So take x square minus 1 as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Then plus 1 by here x plus 1. Here also x plus 1. So here x plus 1 will get cancel. Apply the integration and tell me this limits. What will come the exact value? Your answer will be in the logarithmic. No need to worry.
Log 2, sir.
Log 2. No. Here it will become x square by 2 minus x plus log of x plus 1. So to this you need to apply these limits 2 to 3. So it will come 3 square by 2 minus 3 plus log 4. It will come 9 by 2 minus 3 plus log of x plus 3 plus 1, that is 4 whole minus, it will become 2 square by 2, it will come 2 minus 2 plus log of, what is this, log 2 plus 1, that is log 3. So it will become this plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. 9 by 2 minus 3, it will come what, ma? It is 3 by 2 plus log 4 minus log 3, that is log 4 by 3. This is your answer. 3 by 2 plus log of 4 by 3. Now try to see this question. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx. We already solved this question. That is 0. We solved this already. Next question. Integration of minus pi by 2 sin of mod x dx. చూడండి minus a2 plus a ఉంది. Tell me sin of mod x is an even function or odd function?
Even function, sir.
Very good, Nana. So sin of mod x is an even function. So it will become 2 into integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Right? So apply the integration and tell me the answer what we are getting.
Two, sir.
Yes, 2 is the correct answer. So the next question, integration of 0 to infinity 1 by t square plus 2t plus 2 nana dt. So you need to make into a standard equation and then find the integral, then substitute these limits. So if you make into standard equation, what will become integration of 0 to infinity 1 by t square plus 2 into t into 1 plus 1 square minus 1 square. It will become t plus 1 whole square plus 1 dt. I think it is the correct answer, right? So it is in the form of integration of 1 by a square plus x square, that is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So that is t by a is 1 again here. T is t plus 1, right? Yes. So the limits are 0 to infinity. It will become, if you apply the upper limit, tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 0 plus 1 by 1 is 1. So what is tan inverse of infinity? That is pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is what?
5/2.
Pi by 4. 90 minus 45. That is
5.
45 only, right?
Okay.
Now next question here, you need to replace dx as 2 by 1 plus t square dt and cos x as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So you try to solve at your end. Next, integration of 1 to 2. This is mod x, nana. Mod x under root x square minus 1 dx. So what is integration of 1 by mod x under root 1 minus 1 under root x square minus 1 dx?
Secant inverse x.
Secant inverse x. Very good. So secant inverse x limits are 1 to 2. So if you apply this here, secant inverse of 2 minus secant inverse of 1. So what is secant inverse of 2? That is your,
Pi by 15.
very good, pi by 3. So minus secant inverse of 1 is 0. Your answer is pi by 3, Nana. Now try to solve this question. Minus pi 2 plus pi. Sine cube x. Even
0.
function or odd function? 0. Very good. Right? Next, integration of minus pi to pi. Sine power 4x dx. It is a, here it is in a even function. It will become 2 into 0 to pi sine power 4x dx. Nana. So now you need to solve this question by separating, like write this as sine square x whole square. So sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. So further you can take here 2, 1 by 2 whole square, it will come 1 by 4. Then here it is 1 by 2, integration of 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2x whole square. Apply this, it will come 1 plus cos square 2x, then minus 2 cos 2x. So for this you need to apply the integration. So here cos square 2x again, there you need to write it as 1 plus cos 2x by 2, right? So in this way you need to solve this question.